Finding the right carport can protect your vehicle from harsh weather and add convenience to your outdoor space. In this video is on the top 5 best carports. Whether you need something for year-round coverage or just seasonal shelter, this guide explores strong, reliable options suited for different needs. From compact driveways to larger areas, each choice offers durability and design that fits a variety of home styles. If you are looking for dependable protection, this list highlights some of the top choices available in the market today. I put all of the product buying links in the video description. A request to you, please subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. At number 1, we have King Bird Carport. This large outdoor shelter by King Bird provides a dependable way to protect different types of vehicles, including sports utility vehicles, full-size trucks, and boats. Designed with generous space, it offers height and width that make it simple to move large items in and out. With a dark gray finish and solid construction, it blends strength with functionality. The structure uses a high-grade steel frame, known for resisting rust and holding up well against long-term use. Its design includes multiple beams at both the top and bottom, helping create a solid base that stays steady in place. This type of layout is ideal for those needing extra security during changing weather. Covered in a polyethylene fabric, the shelter is designed to handle outdoor elements while keeping vehicles shielded. The outer material provides dependable resistance to rain and sunlight, making it suitable for year-round protection. Its roof shape encourages better drainage during snow or rainfall, which helps avoid buildup and keeps the space inside clear and usable. This canopy offers a higher roofline and wider door access than many traditional shelters, allowing taller vehicles to fit comfortably. The added space gives flexibility for multiple purposes like vehicle storage, workshop use, or outdoor gear shelter. The extra door zippers make entry easy from either side and support simple operation. For anyone searching for reliable outdoor storage built for larger vehicles and challenging weather conditions, this structure gives a balanced solution with size, durability, and coverage. It stands up well over time and suits a wide range of settings, from backyard spaces to business locations. At number 2, we have FDW White Canopy Shelter. FDW White Canopy Shelter is built with a strong alloy steel frame and open-sided structure that suits a variety of outdoor needs. Its design supports both vehicle protection and general outdoor coverage. Measuring over 235 inches long and 116 inches wide, it gives enough room for private cars or other items requiring shade or protection. The steel framework is powder-coated to help resist rust and wear, making it a practical choice for long-term outdoor use. Its top covering wraps tightly around the frame, minimizing space between tarp and steel and helping reduce buildup during weather changes. This coverage helps prevent exposure to rain or heat, shielding items underneath throughout the year. For secure setup, the tent uses snap fasteners and an anchoring system that helps keep the structure firm even in changing outdoor conditions. A solid connection between frame components gives added strength and confidence. Ropes and ground anchor parts offer more balance, especially on flat surfaces like concrete or paved ground. The full setup includes every needed part, allowing a complete frame and overhead covering to be built quickly with help. Whether used at home, in a yard, or for extra parking at events, it gives coverage without enclosed sides, allowing easy movement around the space. Its weight and size make it strong enough for regular use, but still manageable for transport. This canopy can also serve as extra shade for events or gatherings, offering protection from overhead light and moisture. Its flexibility supports both vehicle storage and temporary shelter for outdoor functions, giving it wide usefulness. At number 3, we have Gardesol Alloy Steel Carport. Gardisol Gray Shelter provides a wide structure suitable for multiple outdoor uses. Built with alloy steel, the frame offers strong support and a balanced structure. With its extended length and width, the space is large enough to cover trucks, sports utility vehicles, or boats. The covering material is made to handle weather conditions during various seasons, shielding items from sunlight, moisture, dust, and colder environments. The carport contains roll-up mesh windows placed on both sidewalls. These allow better air passage and help reduce trapped humidity inside the space. Each wall panel can be detached when needed, offering freedom to adapt the space for vehicle storage or temporary event coverage. Open sides make the area more welcoming during social gatherings or outdoor business setups. Steel pipes with a thickness of over 1 mm and broad leg supports help in keeping the shelter upright and dependable. Powder coating on the surface protects the frame from environmental damage, helping it last longer without rusting or cracking. Setup is made easier through a button system and numbered components, which removes the need for other tools. The canvas roof is created from strong layers designed to hold up against common climate impacts. Elastic cords fasten the top sheet tightly to the frame and give steady tension across the surface. Anchors and guiding ropes offer added firmness for use on different surfaces. With thoughtful ventilation, removable wall sections, and durable framework, this portable shade structure fits the needs of both private owners and those planning events or extended use outdoors. At number 4, we have VEVOR Polyethylene Carport. This VEVOR replacement canopy is designed to fit a rectangular 10 by 20 feet shelter space. It includes both a covered top and sidewalls, offering a large surface area suitable for various outdoor settings. The design contains 5 door panels, helping to offer a flexible entrance and exit layout. The overall coverage is built for standard garage tent frames, though the frame must be purchased separately. Made from polyethylene material, the top cover has a greater weight rating than the sides. Both surfaces are built with a dense woven pattern that helps reduce water buildup and add strength. The fabric includes a coating that provides defense against moisture and extended sunlight exposure, helping it remain steady during mild weather. It has been crafted with double-sealed edges to reduce tearing and is supported by strong hook and loop fasteners for extra grip. Installation is managed using elastic loop connectors that thread through small circular openings, making setup easier without tools. There is a slight allowance between the cover edge and frame side for better tension when tied. While this item can work in most conditions, it is better to avoid very high winds or strong snowfall to maintain performance. This covering can be placed in many settings beyond basic car shelter use. From event shading, temporary storage, or protective areas for equipment and projects, it brings several use cases. The flexible size makes it good for cars, small trucks, gatherings, or shaded working zones. The build supports daily use where simple weather shielding is needed, especially during moderate seasons. At number 5, we have Advance Outdoor Carport. This portable shelter from Advance Outdoor offers a compact solution for storing motorcycles, small vehicles, and various tools. Designed in a 6 by 8 feet structure, it provides a functional setup for outdoor storage needs. The coverage area helps shield equipment from seasonal changes and daily exposure. Its framework is made from metal tubing, supporting a steady hold once fully assembled. The material used for the exterior is polyethylene with 3 bonded layers. This blend aims to prevent early aging and supports weather tolerance. It blocks sunlight rays and helps avoid water seepage during light rainfall. The layered texture also adds toughness against light wind and dust accumulation. With secure stitching and attachment points, it holds its shape in most regular environments. Airflow is maintained through vent designs located on each end, helping reduce trapped heat and moisture buildup. When outdoor temperatures change suddenly, these vents offer balance, which lowers condensation inside the shelter. Entry is available from both front and rear, using zippers and securing points to open or close the space depending on your storage task. The smaller scale of this item makes it suitable for bikes, yard machines, or garden supplies. It can be used in driveways, side yards, or back gardens as a temporary structure. Setup involves connecting poles and stretching the cover without needing extra tools, making it simple for daily users. Whether used for home or seasonal purposes, this shelter helps create a protected area where sun, rain, or falling debris could be a concern for stored belongings. We believe that you like our best product. A request to you, a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. In the comments section, tell me which product you liked. Thank you very much for watching the whole video. Hope to see the next video. Take care